Hello and welcome to the video. This is a quick look at something that's quite new from NewBeeDrone. It's their Nitro Nectar Gold 3000 mAh 6S tabless 18650 battery. Now this is lithium ion technology, and for those of you that have been watching the channel for a long time, you'll know that there's two camps. There's the good old LiPo technology, and this is the recent battery from Hobby King that I have been using to fly some of the 6S quads here, and it's been performing very well. However, for some of the older traditional lithium ion packs, they give you a lot more capacity in the same physical space and usually only paying a small penalty in terms of weight, but you cannot pull the power out of them quickly enough. So although they're fantastic for things like fixed wings, they're not great for the more powerful quads. However, endurance style quads tend to be built for things like lithium ion. Now, NewBeeDrone have been selling their JP30 tablets 18650s for a while and been getting rave reviews, and it sounds like quite a few pilots have been onto them asking them to bundle them together and make packs like this, and I guess they've been listening because this is it. So while I unbox it, let's go through the specs. Key features on this is a huge burst capacity. They reckon it can deliver up to 160 amps for 10 seconds. So if you had a situation, maybe a launch condition on a plane where you needed a lot of current, it could handle that. However, once you've got over that, then your maximum amperage is about 60 amps. Although I would keep it under that because there is voltage sag with this, just like any other lithium ion battery. It's really designed around long range FPV configurations. So if you have a quad where the aim and ambition is to fly for longer, then this is a good option. Wrapped and protected to withstand vibration and the demands of a dynamic flight, and this time nicely equipped with an XT60, so it'll fit pretty much all your models. Total capacity again is 3000 mAh. Cell type is high rate tablet JP30 cells 18650 style. Total battery energy is 66.6 watt hours. Continuous current is 60 amps. Burst current, as I said, is 160 amps for 10 seconds. Voltage range is about 15.6 to 25.5 volts. So that's actually 2.6 volts to 4.25 volts per cell. So you can charge it a little over 4.2 volts if you want to maximize the capacity. In terms of the dimensions, it's 71.87 millimeters by 37.62 millimeters by 55.38 millimeters. So pretty standard size for 6 18650 cells lashed together. It's when you start playing with the weights it gets interesting. If you compare it to something like the Hobby King LiPo battery, that's a 1500 6S pack that weighs 239 grams. However, this battery is 317 grams. It's advertised as 315 on the website. I guess the leads on mine are slightly longer. However, but that means you get twice the capacity for only a third more weight. And there isn't the same current penalty as with the older lithium ion packs that we've had traditionally. The cell resistance in this thing is only about 6 to 11 milliohms. If I put that Hobby King high performance high C LiPo pack on the charger, it's reading about 1 to 6 milliohms, where a traditional A45 cell pack, this one is from O-Line, is about 15 to 17 milliohms. So it's right between them, and because of that, it performs more like a slightly lazy LiPo than a traditional lithium ion pack. Now, I've been playing with this here with the Darwin FPV quad that I looked at the weekend, and they have been performing really, really well. I am pretty impressed with these. If you have the space for these batteries, and that's really going to be 72 by 38 by 56 millimeters, and you aren't going to pull more than, I would probably say, more than 50 amps out of the pack, this is a great way to add a lot of extra capacity. Really interested in this stuff. I have been keeping my eye on these higher capacity lithium ion technologies, and as I get my hands on more of them, I will feature them on the channel. But for the moment, this is probably the nicest, highest performing lithium ion pack that I've had in here, and I guess that's due to the fact that they're using those JP30 tabless 18650s. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Pedantry 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.